Okay folks, it's already snowing out here. It's not even midnight yet, but these last few the snapshots that you just saw right there show that it's already snowing on top of what we have, so it's gonna be a pretty interesting one to say the least. I don't know why even would want to film this for GameboyTV. It shouldn't really come as a surprise anymore. It's one snowstorm after the other. Mother Nature is gonna show no love for us on Valentine's Day, I guess. Good morning, folks. It's Thursday, February 13th. And outside right now, it's very windy outside, and it's snowing pretty hard. I know my camera is focused on the droplets on the door, but I'm gonna head outside just to show you guys. Wind right now is absolutely whipping. Definitely qualifies for blizzard conditions, that's for sure. Just need a touch more wind and a lot more snowfall, and you've got yourself a formula for quite a blizzard. In fact, normally with these storm videos I would go out like to the park or to the woods near me, but just because it's just a little too dangerous out for me. I mean, at least because I'm not a storm chaser. I mean, if I'm a storm chaser, I'd go anywhere, even taking my car out to go to places far away from here. But it's a little too windy out there for me. Boy, this is not the way I would want to celebrate my 200th video on GameboyTV. Yes, this I was supposed to make something else for my 200th video, but Mother Nature likes to ruin things like this. Jeez. Whoa. Okay, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we're in that changeover to rain from snow, and I tell you what, this really isn't the ideal way to celebrate your 200th video on YouTube, but it should really come as no surprise, since a lot of my videos, besides the Mario Tennis Open walkthrough, are these storm videos. Look at that, that's icicles right here. There's got to be at least 6 inches on the ground right now. 6 inches on the ground. Probably at least 1.5 inches will melt off when it rains. But then, oh, gotta be careful here. But then another 3 to 4 inches will be dumped on us later tonight here in Central Jersey. And by the way, I do want to give a shout out to my folks at the music department at Kane University. They're some of the more talented musicians. We've all been complaining in school about these kind of snowstorms, and usually Mondays and Thursdays are the most critical days because that's when we have our theory classes and our sight singing and ensembles. So, you know, when these kind of storms happen like that, it's always frustrating as a college student. But yes, I do want to give that shout out to my music department. I hope you're watching this video as well, because you're being brought up on GameboyTV on its 200th video. It's a very beautiful but blustery afternoon. It's above freezing because some of the snow is starting to melt. And it's Valentine's Day as well. And my school has a delayed opening, but I doubt many people are going to go to school. And normally on Fridays I don't have any classes, but I normally go there just to practice on a weekly basis and to hang around my musical classmates. So since I'm not going to be able to do that today, I did something pretty awesome and pretty neat. I made a sculpture out of the snow that was piled up during shoveling. And I made this Valentine's heart out of the snow. It's not a perfect heart. It has a little bit of some rough and uneven edges. But still, I think it's a pretty cool sculpture, nevertheless. Took a lot of patience and accuracy to make this, and I want to dedicate this heart to all the female musicians at Kane University. You girls are awesome. You girls are very talented, and you girls always make my day when I'm feeling, you know, pretty rough. So this is my Valentine's Day gift to you. And so because I'm not gonna be at the university on Valentine's Day this year, obviously, I hope some of you will watch this video, come across it, and and see what I had just created there. It's pretty neat and it's pretty cool, and I love you all. So happy Valentine's Day, and once again, thank you for watching storm sightings on GameboyTV. I hope we don't have another storm like this. I am absolutely done with winter.